Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be showing you some cool tips and tricks for this awesome device Galaxy S20. I've been using this device for quite a while now, and there are some really awesome features and tips I would like to share with you. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon to see all my future videos. Also, you can click over here to see all my Galaxy S20 series of videos, including the unboxing and review. This video is time coded, so if you'd like to skip some of the tips, you can easily do that. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Galaxy S20 has an awesome camera, but in the camera itself, Samsung has included some really cool features. So my first tip is about the camera itself. Once you are in the camera setting, just press and hold the camera icon. It will start recording a video. To stop the video, just release your hand. Swiping down the camera icon will take burst shot. You can just release your hand to stop it. And not to mention, it will automatically choose the best shot for you. Another cool tip is that when you click on more, you also now get a pro video mode. So if you're shooting a video, you can change the ISO, shutter speed, focus, white balance, everything manually. Now usually there are a lot of applications you need to download from the Play Store, and if you're using iPhone, you need to download Filmic Pro application, which is a paid application. Samsung is always giving the Pro feature for the photo mode, but it's good to see that Samsung has also included the Pro video mode, which is really handy because it will give you full control when you're shooting a video from the stock camera application itself. There is also a new useful feature Samsung has included in the stock camera application. So usually when you're shooting a video, you can either shoot from the rear or the front camera, but Samsung is giving you a cool feature. When you're shooting a video, you can flip the cameras. So this is the front camera, this is the rear camera. But you can see over here the video is still recording and you can flip the cameras around. So this is the rear one, this is the front camera. Now while recording the video, you can flip the camera front or rear side multiple times. I think this is really a much needed feature and quite practical also, especially for content creator. If you're showing something to your audience, at the same time you can flip the camera both the sides. Now another cool tip is about the camera again. You can go to the setting and you can choose the option shooting mode. There's an option of floating shutter button. Now this is really very handy. So after enabling this, when you open your camera application, you will have your regular shutter button and you will have a floating shutter button. So for example, I want to click the picture from my left hand. Also, I can do that. And this is your fixed regular shutter button. You can move it anywhere as per your liking. Also, when you're in the camera setting, in the photo mode, Samsung is giving you this 30x hybrid zoom option. But if you want to manually choose your zoom option, you can just press and hold. You can manually choose the zoom option rather than going 30x, 2x, 10x or 4x. You can press and hold and manually choose the option. So as per your liking, you can choose the zoom option, which will give you less noise. Another tip is about the live caption, which is really useful, especially for videos. When you click on the volume button, swipe down, you get this option of live caption. Just enable this. So after enabling this, you will have the live caption on your screen when you're watching a video. Favorite topic in the time code, for example this one. Camera. So let's start the unboxing and first impression of this amazing smartphone. But before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel. And not just YouTube video. If you're in gallery, you're playing a video. 24 frames per second. You can see there is a big crop in the 8K footage. So whenever you're watching any video on your device, you will get the live caption written on your device. Now another tip is about the 8K video recording. When you're shooting a video in 8K, definitely it's a very high resolution video. Now this video was shot in 8K. So after shooting the 8K video, you're watching it in your gallery. You get an option to take a picture. You can see over here the small icon. When you click over here, it will take a high resolution picture. The quality of picture you will get from the 8K footage is going to be also very high resolution. Galaxy S20 has a small infinity over punch hole design, but for some reason, if you don't like it and you'd like to hide it, there is an option. Just go to the settings, display, choose full screen application, choose the 3 dot on the side, go to advanced setting, and you can just click on the hide camera cutout. And this way you can hide the camera cutout, so you will not have any small punch hole design on your screen. For me personally, it doesn't bother me while watching any video or something. I would rather use it this way. My next tip is about the multitasking. Now this device has 8 GB of RAM, but this also comes in 12 GB RAM option. And also Samsung Galaxy Ultra comes in 16 GB RAM option. Now Samsung has included a cool feature for multitasking on these devices. Suppose you have a lot of applications opened. You can choose any one application. So you can just click on the top of the application and choose this option of keep open for quick launching. So now you can see there is a small lock icon over here. So I have locked this application in my RAM. Suppose I was playing PUBG and because of some work I had to leave the game. I can lock the application. Even if I close all the application. So next time when I will open the multitasking, I will find the game right there where I left it. This is really a cool feature. If you have a Galaxy Ultra with 16 GB of RAM, you can choose 5 applications and you can keep them in your random access memory, which is the RAM memory of your device. My next tip would be about the keyboard of this device. So when you're typing something, now this feature is something very similar to iPhones. So you can press and hold the space bar and you can choose the cursor location anywhere. So you can swipe and you can roam around the cursor anywhere you like. Now Samsung has included a new feature in their device, Quick Share. Now this is a feature very similar to how in iPhones you have AirDrop. So when you swipe down the notification tray, you will have the Quick Share feature right over here. So basically what it does is something very similar to how you have in iPhones. You can go to your gallery, you can choose any photo, you can click on the share icon, you will get the Quick Share option. You can also click on the tips, how to use it. By clicking on Quick Share, it will give you the list of devices, which also has a Quick Share option enabled. So just like how you have AirDrop enabled in 2 iPhones and they can share and transfer the data, you can do the same thing over here, but you need to have a Samsung device which has the Quick Share option enabled. At the moment I don't have any, so I cannot show you, but again it's a handy feature, but I need to test it personally. There are a few tips which I think most of you already know. We have seen it in the Galaxy S10 series also and also in the Note 10 series. So when you buy the device and when you press and hold the power button, by default, Samsung will give you the Bixby option. But suppose if it's irritating you and if you're not a big fan of Bixby, you can just swipe down, you will see the power icon. Click over here, you have the side key settings. Click over here. From here, you can change the menu setting. You can choose power off menu. So next time when you press and hold the power button, so you'll get the power off, restart and emergency mode option. And also this is not a tip, just a general discussion that you do get 60 Hz and 120 Hz of display setting. But when you choose 120 Hz, which is really cool, now this option will affect your device in 2 ways. First of all, you will not get the full resolution option. So when you choose this option, you only get 1080p resolution. And the second most important thing, it will definitely affect your battery life. It's something really amazing to use, but at the same time at the cost of battery life. So if you want to preserve your battery life, you can choose the standard refresh rate of 60 Hz and also you can choose high resolution with this. So when you choose 60 Hz, you can choose high resolution also. But when you are choosing 120 Hz of display, you can only choose maximum Full HD Plus display. But again, kudos to Samsung for at least including this option. Now this is a tip, I'm sure a lot of people know about this, but it's always good to know that if you get any Samsung device and you want to know the authenticity of it, sometimes you get it secondhand, sometimes you buy it online, you don't trust the website. All you need to do is just press on the *#0* and you will be greeted with this menu. First of all, it does certify that this device is authentic. And second thing, you can check a lot of things in your device, the reds, the greens, the blues, the receiver, and definitely the touch. As we all know, the Samsung screen costs almost same price as the device itself. So these are some of the handy things, You can self-diagnose a lot of things about your device. I think this is a very handy feature and it's good that Samsung is giving this feature in the stock dialer application. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope these tips will enhance your user experience with this amazing device. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel to see more videos on Galaxy S20. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.